Okay, now do it in a circle.
Circle, that one's hard. Okay. So I'm gonna.
Right. Doesn't matter either way.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Okay.
Make sense?